This video will cover the use of the optional laser tape drop feature for the AAT. The laser tape drop feature consists of a laser rangefinder, cable, and software, and is available as a purchasable option for the AAT. The laser tape drop provides above ground level or AGL height to the AAT when connected via the laser rangefinder port, located in the upper left-hand corner of the front of the device. Note that the AAT does not need to be on the antenna when you are taking your laser measurements. You can hold the tool in one hand and walk around, or if you're on the platform or swinging around, you can have the tool in one hand and the laser rangefinder in the other. The measurement being taken is from the front of the laser rangefinder device, so you can actually take either your center line height, the bottom of the antenna, or the top if the customer requires you to take the top measurement. The laser tape drop has the following advantages over typical tape drops. Avoids issues of inaccurate tape measurements caused by structure interference. Avoids inaccuracy due to tapes blowing in the wind. One person can perform the entire measurement process. Tapes often get broken or stretched during use, causing inaccurate measurements. Adds the ability to take a height measurement at an angle when direct downward view of the ground or foundation is not available. The laser tape drop software in the AAT limits the range of measurement of the rangefinder to -45 degrees to -90 degrees. So the rangefinder must be pointed down at least 45 degrees for the AAT to recognize this as a valid measurement. Exceeding these limits will cause the AAT to display arrows, either VVV or ****, indicating that the rangefinder should be aimed further down or up to be within the valid range of -45 to -90 degrees. If you encounter this situation, i.e. the display showing arrows up or down, adjust the angle of the rangefinder to a valid range. One of the final advantages that the laser tape drop feature affords is time savings. Rather than wasting your time reeling out the tape, saving your measurements, and then reeling it back in, you simply point, shoot, and move on to performing capture of all the measurements. The AAT will show the latest data received from the laser rangefinder on the left display, and of course, store it along with the other measurements that it has taken once the capture is made. Let's review the process for using the laser tape drop feature with the AAT. To take a height measurement, peer through the viewfinder and select a hard, flat surface such as a parking lot or the concrete foundation of the tower. It needs to be a good reference from which to establish the height to be measured. Avoid taking measurements that might be affected by the grade of the site, typical when sites are built on the sides of hills. The laser tape drop will give vertical height measurements from where you are holding the rangefinder to the point where it strikes the ground. So if the rangefinder is aimed at some point further down the hill compared to the site foundation, the height measurement will not be the one desired. Next, depress the fire button once to power on the rangefinder. Press the up or down buttons one or more times to select VD mode. This will configure the laser tape drop to display vertical distance in the viewfinder, which makes it more convenient to quickly compare the results with what the AAT shows on the display. However, this step is not necessary to ensure the AAT calculates and stores vertical height. The AAT will always calculate vertical height from the data it has passed. Press and hold the fire button for 2 seconds to take the measurement. Results from the rangefinder may be viewed in measure-only mode as well as the align to profile mode on the gauges and digits displays. You will find height-related data displayed on the bottom portion of the vertical display. To capture height results in align to profile mode, simply take your height measurements before beginning the capture countdown. Your height will be stored along with the other capture data if you press the Save or Override soft key after previewing the capture results. Note, regardless of the configuration of the rangefinder, vertical distance, or VD, will always be calculated and displayed on the AAT. Due to precision and rounding differences, you may occasionally see a discrepancy between the AAT and the rangefinder VD displayed in its viewfinder. This difference will never be more than 0.5 feet, 0.1 yards, or 0.1 meters, depending on the unit's configuration of the rangefinder. This discrepancy falls within the accuracy specifications of the AAT and may be disregarded. Note, The rangefinder provided as part of the laser tape drop kit is quite powerful as evidenced by its range of measurement. Consequently, it is not accurate across very short distances of only a few feet. Note, because of rangefinder limitations, measurement at angles steeper than -90 degrees are not possible. This limitation is removed in slope distance or SD mode. The AAT will calculate vertical distance at angles from -45 to -135 degrees from horizontal when the rangefinder is in SD mode. This allows the installer to fire the laser beneath and behind him, such as over the back or between the legs. The laser tape drop feature is not only a time saver, but it also provides much more accurate AGL height measurements in a much safer way than using a standard tape drop. This concludes the video on the laser tape drop feature.